Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by assigning your audio interface in Logic's audio preferences and choosing 44, 1 or 48 kHz. Once done, set the I/O buffer to 128/256 for a balance of latency and stability. Create a new audio track, pick the correct input, and enable input monitoring so you can hear amp sims or die. Arm the track for recording and play hard. Adjust gain so peaks sit around -6 decibels. This preserves headroom and prevents clipping when you record. You need responsive monitoring, so use Logic's low latency mode or drop the buffer while recording. Make sure to switch back for mixing. Route an amp simulator or die plugin on the input for a natural feel, and craft a headphone mix that balances click and backing tracks. Record several full takes or use cycle recording to capture variations. Once you have multiple passes, use quick swipe comping to assemble the best performance. This saves time and gives you precise control over phrasing and timing. After recording, tidy takes by trimming, removing noise, and adding short crossfades to avoid clicks. Use flex time for subtle timing fixes if needed, and comp your favorite performances into one seamless track. For tone, apply gentle EQ to carve space, compress to control dynamics, and add amp sims or impulse responses for character. Use sends for reverb and delay. When satisfied, bounce your track selecting sample rate and bit depth. Disable normalize and export. If timing or phase issues appear, check input delay comp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.